this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money from this pink app, which is also known as the Poppo Life app. And also I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from this app, because that's the main reason of this video. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this page I talk a lot about skincare and also self-care and how to develop yourself. So if this channel is what you're interested in, please do want to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And for those of you that leave comments in the comment section, it actually means a lot to me. And please, after watching this video and this video was beneficial to you and you love videos like this and you want to see more videos like this from me, please do want to leave a comment in the comment section. That comment actually gives me the courage to come back here to do more for you guys, because actually the work I put in these videos are much: the editing, the scripting, the research and everything. And I will still upload. Guys, you guys need to be giving me the credit for it. And I'm not asking for money. Just like, subscribe and leave a comment only. That's all I ask. It's not much now. Please now, come on. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money from the Poppo Life app, and also how to withdraw your money. And also I already have a video about it, and most people didn't understand it, because when they joined through my link, they still came to my DM and they were asking me questions about it. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money in the Poppo Life app, how to withdraw your money in the Poppo Life app, and also how to do your party tax in the Poppo Life app, so that I can be able to make money. In fact, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the Poppo Life app, which is also known as the pink app. So now let's go over to the app. So I will put you guys through on it. I'll be going into the app, which is the Poppo Life app, which is also known as the pink app. And this is the app here with me. Now, this is the app. Let me allow it to load. And these icons you're seeing, I will explain everything to you, a detailed explanation so that you can understand perfectly well. Now look down your phone, like at the last side. Wait, this site, these icons here are for a purpose, and I'll be teaching you all. Now you will click on this icon. This is also known as your profile icon. This last icon here, you will click on it, and this is my profile now. And this is how much I have made. I have made $35. Let me show you guys, and I'll show you how to withdraw your money. I'll show you how you can withdraw your money and you can sell it. So you can see I have made $35 in this app, and that is something to be grateful for, because now when you convert this money, okay, let me show you, because now when you convert this money using the naira rate or more, is something. You can see I have made $35 now from this app, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw it. But first of all, let me put you through on the app. See, for you to be able to withdraw, you have to get $10, and $10 is equals to 100,000 points in this app. Now as you can see, the 10,000 points on this app is $1, 20,000 points on this app is $2, 30,000 points on this app is $3, like that. So 100,000 points from this app is $10. Now as you can see, what I have here is 355,177, which is $35.5. So roughly it's $35. Now this is my profile, and I'm going to be explaining everything in details for you to understand. Now as you can see, this icon, this place is coin. This place that has a yellow colored coin is known as coin. Now for you to be able to get this coin, you have to purchase this coin. When it comes to the way of buying this coin, you can use, wait, hold on, let me check. Buying this coin, you can see the price. When it comes to buying this coin, you can see the prices. We have you can use 1,500 naira to get 8,300 coins. You can use 3,000 naira to get 16,600 coins, like that. You can use 70,000 to get 390,000 coins, just like that. Now this is the place. Now when you purchase this coin, the coin seller is going to sell your coins to you, and it is going to reflect here. Then this place that is point, this place that the color of the coin is pink, is known as point, and this is what you are going to withdraw. This is what you're going to convert to dollars. This is what you're going to convert to your naira. I hope you're understanding. Please, this is a detailed video. Now, this place that they wrote reward is where you are going to check for your tax. And remember, for you to earn money on this app, you have to do tax now. Then when you click on this reward, it is going to bring out for you tax to do. But wait, before we go over to this reward side, let me tell you something first and foremost. When you enter into this app, please do your face verification. Without your face verification, I don't even know what you're doing, because whatever you're doing, it is not going to work. That's the truth. Your face verification is going to determine if you can be able to do your live stream. Now, if you can be able to do your live stream, now for you to do your face verification, when you enter into this app, remember, click on your profile when you register, because you're going to register with your Gmail. Then when you register, you click on this profile app, and you're going to see this authorization, this place with a blue marker, like something like verified mark. Yes, here. Then you will not click on it and do your face. Now, as you can see, mine has been done. That's why my own is like this. Mine has been done. But if your own is not yet done, it is going to ask you to do your face verification. Then you are going to click on it, and then you can see mine is successful. Congratulations, you're approved. You can see. So now you are going to click on your own, and then they will not ask you to upload pictures. When you upload picture, they will not ask you to open your camera and show your face, move your face to the left, move your face to the right, like that, so you can be able to do your face verification. And please, without your face verification, you just cannot go live. That's the truth. You cannot go live. So the first thing you have to do is to do your face verification. Then after it, you are going to now come to your reward, this reward site. Click on your reward so that you can be able to do your tax. Remember, because for you to be able to earn money, you have to do your tax, right? Yes. So now you're going to click on that reward site, and these are tax. I've not been online for the past how many days. I've been doing videos and editing, so I've not had chance to come online for anything. Now, as you can see now, this is my live duration. And let me tell you something, as a newbie in this app, as a newbie, when you register newly, please and please do your face verification that day. Because okay, now as you can see, I'm earning 1,000 points for 1 hour each time I do my live stream. But you as a new person, because they want to like give you bonus, then any 1 hour you go live each day, you are going to get 5,000 points. You are going to get 5,000 points as a newbie. That's why I advise you that day that you're going to register, make sure that you do your face verification, and make sure that you go live so that you can be able to withdraw your 5,000 points for 7 days. I hope you understand it. Now, when you want to go live, you have to click on go. When you click on go, it will bring you to a live stream. And let me show you. It is going to open for you where you can do your live stream, and then you can be able to go live. And when you're going live, you're going to see the stuff reading. So this is it. As you can see, this is where you're going to click to go live, and this is where you're going to click to go live. Exactly. Then this is PK mission. For you to be able to do your PK, you have to reach level 4. You have to reach level 4 for you to be able to do your PK. Then this is Christmas month brand office. I beg. This thing, you have to go live. When you go live for 1 hour each day, then you make sure you get gifts that is worth 500 points. Then that's just it. Then random PK, when you win PK, now remember I told you PK, you have to reach level 4. PK just like you and someone doing competition on live stream who will get more gifts. That's basically PK. Then this is Christmas month brand officer selection event. You have to upload videos, and if you're interested. Then this is S Idol video collection, limited time reward, upload video and pass review, limited rewards for normal hosts, base salary hosts, and cannot join in. Then this, because we are normal hosts, I'm not an S idol. If I was, but you man that is joining new, you can't even join because you are not an S idol. Then this S idol, you have to apply for it, and when you get it, almost the kind of money you are going to be cashing out. Like this S idol, every day you'll be getting nothing less than, they'll be paying you nothing less than 60,000 points. Now This is party tax. This is another way for you to be able to earn money. You go to parties, sit down, do your task. After doing your task, you'll be able to withdraw 800 points. Now, when I joined newly, there was no condition for you to be able to take this 800 points. But now, that's why I say the earlier the better. But now, when you want to sit down on this party task, when you sit down on this party task on the crown chair, I'll show you what is a crown chair. Now you have to make sure that you get gifts that is worth 800 points. Like your head is gonna be reading 800 points for you to be able to withdraw this money. And this is when you want to now do your party task, you click on go, it will bring you to this party area. It will bring you here. When you click on go, you will click on this second icon. Click on this second icon here, click on it, and this is party. Now you're going to move around and find any party that has empty crown chair. Empty crown chair, because remember what you want to do is your party task, and for you to be able to do your party task, you have to sit on a crown chair. Now you will scroll, wait, let me go down because that's where I know I'm going to see better crown chair. Let's hold on for it to load. Let's hold on for it. Okay, I'm not, it's only one crown chair there, so you guys will not understand. Why these people they open 4 seats now? Okay, now this has 9 seats. Now this is what a party task looks like. Wait, let me mute the sound a bit. Now this is what a party task looks like. As you can see, this party task has 9 seats. 9 seats. And let me give you a little tips. If you want to sit down on a crown chair, number 2, number 3, number 4 is for crown chairs. Any seat again is not a crown chair, unless let's say you want to sit down on those seats because they are gambling, they are gifting. Exactly. You can see this number 3 here. You can see this number 3. You can see that the chair is good. Okay, look at number 3 and look at number 8. You can see there are two different colors of chair. Now with this number 3, if I want to do a party tax, I will sit down on number 3 and do my party tax. It's just that simple. I'll sit down there and do my party task. But let's say I came to this panel and they're gambling, they're gifting or more, and I want to receive gifts. So what will I do? I will sit down on bus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because I just want to sit down. But if I just want to do my party task, I am going to sit down on bus 2, 3, 4. Now let me show you something. Now for you to, there's something we call gambling, there's something we call gifting and exchange. For you to level up, you have to do exchange, but please do it with a trusted person. Now for you to do your exchange, you are going to click on this gift box. This gift box, you are going to click on it. Now see, as you can see, this is gift, this is gift. Anything you see that has activity, please do not use it as exchange, do not use it as gift. To any place you see activity like this, Santa hat, it has activity, Christmas bell activity, Christmas candy activity, because we're in Christmas period, so this is used for gambling. Anything that has activity, it is used for gambling. Omo, this video is gonna be long because I'm doing detailed explanation. Now for you to do your exchange and level up or give someone, you now have to use from beer. You can see we have the one of 500, we have the one of 500, which is Coca-Cola, coffee, love. So this is for exchange and this is for gifting. Then if you want to gamble, you will click on lucky. You can see this lucky here, you will click on lucky. Now this is where you are going to gamble, and when you gamble, you are going to receive returns back. You are going to receive return back because you are gambling. But what about gambling is when you're gambling and you see that you're not getting your return, almost just stop and come back later and then you will gamble. I hope you guys understand this party tax very very well. Now let's go back to our reward. Omo, I'll show the guys how to play game. Oh, See, this video is going to be, it's like I'm going to break it down section by section. I'm going to upload a video next on how to play game. And for you to be able to play games, you have to reach level 4, level 5. It depends. Okay, like iPhone, I had to reach level 4, level 5 before I was able to see game on this platform. But my sister that had like an Android phone, she was able to see the game icon even in her level 1. So it depends on the phone you are using. You get, but for iPhone users, just bear in mind level 4, level 5 is when you are going to be seeing the game, and is when you are going to be able to play game on this platform. Now another way to make money from this app is by inviting people. You have to invite people. Then when you click on invite, when you click on invite, it is going to show this to you. Then this is another way you can be able to make money from this app. Then you will now click on invite now. When you click on invite now, then you are going to copy your link. Like this is invitation template. You will click any one of your choice. Let's say I will click this one. I'll click on share, enters your material. Then you can now see it and see how many people that has clicked on your link to register, and see how many people that has actually registered and joined through your link. So this is another way to make money. As you can see, I was able to make 10,000 points, which is $1 from the invitation. So as you can see here, I had click count 111 and 86 people downloaded it, and I don't know if they actually registered, but 20 people registered using my link. Now let me show you. I've made just 10,000 because those people were serious with what they were doing. But then again, another way to make money from the app is through games. Now another way to make money is through games. Now when you want to play this game, my favorite is the golden flower. Like I'm going to teach you guys this game, but it's another video. I don't want this video to be that long. Get. Now when you want to make money again, you click on this game icon, and we have, oh, they brought out a new game. Wow. In this game we have the new fishing era, ocean hunt, golden flower, lucky number, lucky wheel, poker king, like a whole lot. Now for you to be able to play game, you need a diamond, and for you to get a diamond, you need a coin. Now when you buy that coin, like how I showed you, you are going to come here and convert it to diamond. One coin is equals to 1 diamonds. Okay, let me show you guys now. This is my diamond exchange. Let me click it for you guys. Now as you can see, I have 1,023 diamonds and 3,403 coins. Now let me play with just a game with a diamond. Let me go to golden flower. Let me play again with a diamond to show you guys that game is another way you can be able to earn, because when you earn through game, you will convert. When you earn through game, it will go to your diamonds, then you convert your diamonds to coin and then do a change with it, and that is how you are going to be able to cash out. Like now as you can see, my network is really bad, but as you can see, someone played poker king and the person won 1,200,000 diamonds. Then the person is going to convert it to coin. Then the 1,200,000 diamonds will now be turned to 1,200,000 coins. Then the person will now do a change and be able to withdraw his or her money. And then as you can see, this person won golden throne in lucky wheel, and this golden throne, this golden throne, wait, let me show you guys how much it was safe. The golden throne amount is big. Yes, where is it? The golden throne was 300,000 coins. So the person is going to do a change and get his or her money. So these are way to make money from this app. So now let me show you guys how to withdraw. Let me withdraw so I can show you guys how to withdraw the money. But because I don't want this video to be too long, I think I'm going to make a part 2. So if you want to see how to withdraw your money, then please do well to subscribe, like, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, because I'm going to be uploading it next in my next video, so that this video will not be long. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. So this is it on how to make money on this Poppo Life app. And see, if you love videos like this, do what, like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. It means a lot to me. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.